menopause transition at times can be very challenging for many women, and yet within that there are also moments of oxytocin moments. Sometimes that can occur with a level of support from a therapist or some friend who has had the experience and had sort of tips to offer you, and it's like, that feels so much easier when I did that and do that. So that's an oxytocin moment, where there's a sense of like a new space, a new possibility about engaging with that. And within that also you have the whole relationship, in my view, around menopause as regards there's a new relationship that you're having with space. And that relationship can be experienced or is experienced at times with things with your joints. And things with your joints, whereby your movement starts feeling a bit awkward, we're really dealing with something called proprioceptors, which is in the joints, you know, like your wrists, your elbows, your knees. This is something I'll be talking more about in that first episode of Menopause Harmonics. So you'll get more data and also tips about how best to create those moments. Thank you.